What are we doing today?
Today we are going to talk about the 4 steps to long-lasting makeup. All right, here we go.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with Veil Mineral Primer.
I didn't know it had a long wear quality to it. I thought it was more about the way it makes your makeup lie on the skin, so that's good to know. And this sinks in really quickly.
It's
it absorbs,
immediate.
So you don't really feel like you're putting an extra layer on.
Exactly, it's like a cloud. That leads us into our Vanish Stick Foundation. We're just gonna dot this on and blend it in. Next, we're using Vanish Airbrush Concealer in Beech.
My favorite.
But what I love about this is that it truly gives that airbrushed finish. And I just love how it smooths everything out. I'm also in love with this concealer because once you have all that coverage in place, it's gonna last you 16 hours. So you literally don't have to worry about it for the rest of your day.
Yeah, I noticed that. I noticed like on days when I have like a really long day and I've done my makeup in the morning, by the time I get home, I still feel like I look really fresh.
Okay, we have foundation on, we have concealer. Now we just need to lock everything in place. We're gonna use our Veil Translucent Setting Powder.
I use this powder every single day when I finish my makeup. I tend to use it with the smaller brush because I like to kind of just pinpoint certain areas.
Like this?
This brush, yeah, number 14. Apply it underneath my eyes here. Apply it down my nose, on my chin, and on the sort of middle area of my forehead because that's where I find I get shiny. It allows my skin to look matte in the areas where I apply it, but at the same time I still feel luminous.
And when you're looking for that longevity, you're looking for your makeup to stay on throughout the day, kind of sandwich this with your Veil Mineral Primer and it's a magic recipe. So I think we're ready for some bronzer.
Yes, please. Yeah. This is the most transformative part of my makeup, I always find. Brows and bronzer.
And then we are using Diffused Heat for your blush. Such a beautiful, warm pink tone. So the next step is the Veil Eye Primer. It's for anyone who's concerned with creasing or transferring, movement, any kind of fading throughout the day. This is just gonna take care of all of that. And it's great for eyeshadow blending. That's one of my favorite things about it.
Oh, I might just wear that on its own. It's so nice. I feel like it really makes my eyes pop.
Now I'm gonna show you how easily eyeshadows apply on top of this primer, and we're gonna create a gorgeous look for you. So let's get started with that.
Great.
So the shadow went on beautifully. We're just gonna finish it off with a touch of scattered light. Now we're ready for mascara.
Okay.
Okay.
No, the eyeshadow looks amazing. I can see how smooth it looks. It looks much more even across the eyelid than usual. And it's really made that color pop.
Now I get to show you my favorite highlighter of all time.
That's a big statement, Marc.
It is, but it's incredible. This is our re-released metallic strobe palette. Similar to how we love our ambient lighting palette, you can just dust through all 3. And then just focus that strobe on the high points. What I love is how easily it blends on. It's super buttery. It's just so beautiful.
Yeah, the glow is amazing.
But it really just melts
Radiant.
into the skin.
Love that.
We're gonna finish off the color with beautiful Unreal Lip Gloss in Sublime. Okay, our last step in long-lasting makeup is the new Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. So you wanna hold it a few inches away from the face and just give yourself really light mist. You have that beautiful dewiness to your skin now and it just kind of brings everything together. That's what I love, so everything looks seamless.